Good morning, students. I'm going to start the section 1 or section A chapter, that is chapter 1, that is Boolean algebra. I had already discussed some of the points from this chapter. There were only few students, so I'm going to redo it. So please pay very attention to this section because this is a compulsory questions. You're going to get it from all these three chapters. So please pay attention. Okay. So this propositional logic, what do you mean by propositional logic? Okay, now a propositional logics are kind of a statements or the sentences that we make it and we try to prove it whether it is true or false. So this is called as propositional logic. And what is a proposition? A proposition is a sentence that is either true or false. Now there are so many conditions that we give, and whenever we talk or whenever we try to have some statements, it can either be positive, it can either be negative. So true indicates 1 and false indicates 0. There are so many connectives that we give, we join them. Okay, so terms, now you can see these are called as truth table. What are this? These are called truth table. This is how we do it. Now here it is and now we have already discussed, if you remember, in 10th standard we have discussed about the bitwise operator. In that we have learned how to make this truth table. Okay, so A and B, A is suppose and, if it is an and operator, that's mean if the value of A is 0 and the value of B is 0, the output is automatically 0. Now similarly we have it for OR. Okay, this is now this is how it is solved. Now the number of connectives, what do you mean by there are some connectives that we use it. Okay, and these are the symbols that we use for the connective. This is disjunction, conjunction, like this we have so many of them. There are 8 of them we have here. Okay, the first one you can see is a disjunction. This is called as disjunction, or you can see the other form of showing this is a plus operator. Now disjunction is what? It will combine two or more propositional statement. Okay, using what? Connectives. Now this is a truth table for this. 0 0, the answer is 0. 0 1, the answer is 1. Okay, so what is happening? If you have to otherwise find a logical thing, here what we are doing, here we are just connecting it. Okay, here we are connecting as how? That is, if you add the number, then you will get it as 1. Now 1 plus 1 is 1. We don't consider it as 2 because it is a computeral term. In computeral term, the calculations for converting into zeros and 1 is always 1. Okay, now there are, this is, if you remember the bit 4 to 1 bit, this is how we get this value 4 to 1. If you remember this binary number, we have solved it in 10th standard. If you wanted to find 0, first one is 0, so there is no value here 0, so it is 0 0 0. If it is 1, where is 1? Here it is 1, so you have to put 1 here and the rest of it you have to put 0. Then if it is 2, where is 2? 2 is at the center, so here it becomes 1 and rest is 0. So like that we have to get it till we get it as 1. Means how many bit are there? How many numbers are there? 4. 4 plus 2 is 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to have here 7 bit. Okay, now 7 bit including 0, it is how much? 8 bit. So here total you can see we have got 8 bit. Now this here we are comparing, we are counting the numbers and we are trying to get the values. Okay, so here it is adding it. So what it is? 0 0 0. If you add all three value, you will get it as 0 only, and here the rest is 1 1. So this is about what? Disjunction. Okay, this is about the disjunction. Next one is conjunction. Conjunction is the opposite of disjunction. Conjunction, what happens? You can see the symbol that we use it for conjunction. You can see the symbol that we use it for conjunction. Conjunction is for multiplication, is the other form of it. Okay, you can see it is there are two form we can indicate this conjunction, that is dot and you can see upper arrow. Now you can see this this one is similar to, if you see this truth table. Okay, if you see this truth table, this is AND operator. Okay, and this is OR operator. So disjunction is like OR operator and conjunction is like AND operator. Okay, so here you can see the truth table. Okay, that this is a truth table, and we have got truth table here also. This is 8-bit truth table. So this is how we solve it. Similarly, how we are solving it for disjunction. Okay, next is here negation. Negation is a opposite. Okay, negation is opposite. Suppose a value is true, then negation is false true. So negation is nothing but it is here what we indicate it as not. Okay, it is a opposite. Negation is a opposite value that we get it. Now double negation means it's a complement of complement. Complement of complement, this is how we indicate. Okay, complement of complement, that is a dash dash a means here what is the opposite of a? If it is 1, then here it becomes 0. Then the complement of complement, this is one complement, and the complement of this is this. Okay, double complement. So this is a double complement. If so, here what happens? Here it is 0, then this will become 1. Here it is 0, so it becomes 1, 1 becomes 0. So this is how we find it out, the double negation. Okay, this is single negation, this is double negation. Double negation means complement of complement. So this today we have learned only the 4. They are remaining are there. We will do it in the next class.